8 overview for EDU 605 for Spring 2, 2019 at Concordia University, Irvine. And here we are in week 8. This is the culminating week of our second research term. The major activities for this week are the oral presentation and submitting the final action research project. Let's go to the oral presentation. You have two options. One, you may present to a group of 3 or more colleagues and record your presentation. To get credit for your oral presentation, you can submit a recording of your presentation to your colleagues. Your second option is to present as a group during our live virtual session, which will be held at 6:30 p.m. Pacific on Wednesday, May 1st. And if we have all of our groups select this option, we will probably meet for a good 90 minutes to close to 2 hours because each group has 15 to 20 minutes to present. We hope it's closer to the 15-minute side. But we do want to hear the results of your research, and it is a requirement to do so to pass the class. So let's go over the template that's provided for you. We're going to go under Capstone Resources and down to the oral presentation template. It's a view-only file, so you'll need to make a copy, and then you can save with the name of your group, whatever your group number is. I'm going to cancel that out, but of course you're going to save it. So you can use this template to just drive your presentation, enter in the title of your study, the names of your group members, my name, and the date. Include your statement of your research problem. This is going to come from chapter 1. You can have another slide to do that if you need to. For your literature review, you're not going to include all of your literature review. That would be too long. Cite just the key information from about 5 studies from chapter 2 that really are the foundation for your study. List your research questions here. Describe your methodology using bullets. Think of it like a recipe, something your colleagues could replicate, and please be concise. Discuss your results for research question number 1. Provide the answer to your research question. And the same for research question number 2. And for research question number 3, if you had one. It was not required. For the next couple of slides, include graphs and tables that summarize your data. Don't give us all your data, just the summary, please. State your conclusions and your recommendations for future research. The references only from this presentation. Not all the references from your entire capstone project, just the ones cited in this presentation, and then open it up for any questions from your audience. It's a pretty straightforward presentation. The other major event of this week is submission of your final capstone project. There are some details located right here. Probably the biggest part is to pay attention to the title and the way that you should save in your searchable PDF file. Also, you need to complete IRB Form O, project completion. The magic time, everything needs to be submitted by 11:59 on Friday the 3rd of May. Friday is the last day of our class. That is a wrap on this collaborative capstone series of courses. It's been a pleasure working with you. I hope that you will keep in touch. Keep me apprised of your successes. I'm always excited to hear about how you go on and use your master's degree. Best of luck.